Hmm? Do you want some watermelon? Oh, you like that watermelon. Yes, yes. That means yes, yes. You want watermelon. Yes? You want some watermelon? How about you? Do you want some watermelon too? Huh? Oh yes, we want watermelon, please. Maybe you can't have any. Does your daddy let you have watermelon? Does your daddy? Huh? He does? Good dog. Good dog. Look at you. Beautiful. Oh, I see you. I see you. You want it now. Okay, let me get one little teeny tiny piece, okay? One little piece. Okay. Oh, guess what? You jumped and you lost it. That was a bad jump ball. So I'll have to give you a little piece too. But don't tell your daddy that you're eating watermelon. Okay? Okay. One more little piece. One more little piece. I know. You're happy. You're happy. Okay. Here you go. All right. 2 happy dogs. Yay! Can you sit down? Can you sit down and say thank you? Sit down. Sit. You're beautiful.